Right angle is 90 degrees. 90 degree means now you see 90 plus 90. So we get here 180 degrees. So two angles be supplementary if both of them are right means for solution is for this is it is yes. Now we have completed 7th one. Now we shall go to 8th problem. Now 8th problem is, you see the question, an angle is greater than 45 degrees. Is its complementary angle greater than 45 degree or equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree? Now let's take 8th problem. Now here they are telling an angle is greater than 45 degrees. Is its complementary angle greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45? Complementary angle means what? It is 90 degree. So now suppose now we will take a complementary. It should be greater than 45. An angle is greater than 45 degree they have given. Now suppose we will take 50 degrees here. This is solution. Now I have taken greater than 45 means 50 degrees plus x degree is equal to 90. 90 degrees now. So now 50 degree plus x is equal to 90 degree means x is equal to 90 degree minus 50 degrees. That is equal to 90 minus 50 how much? 40 degrees. So accordingly if you take an angle is greater than 45 degree, now they are asking is its complementary angle greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45. Now we have got here 40. So it is less than 40. So therefore its complementary angle is less than 45 degrees. So it is less than 45 degrees. So this is 8th question. Now let's see 9th one. In the adjacent figure, they have given the figure there you see. Is one adjacent angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? They have given here 5 questions. By seeing the diagram we have to tell. Suppose now I am drawing the diagram here. This is one angle, this is one angle, this is one angle, this is one angle, this is one angle. So this vertex is called 0, A, B, C, D, E. Now I have taken A, B, C, D, E and this. Now here they are asking 1 is here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now first question what they are asking is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2. Now here angle 1 is here, angle 2 is here. You see angle 1, angle 2. Is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Yes. Because now what here you see? Common. What do you mean by adjacent angles? They have common vertex, common sides, they have common arms. You see 1 and 2 here, both 1 and 2 are having same vertex here. Same, then common sides also are there. You see this line is going, here 1 is coming, here 2. So from here only same lines are going. So first answer is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2 means it is yes. No, second one you see, is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE? Now here you see angle AOC, A is here, O is there. So AOC is one angle here now. AOC and AOE, AOE. See now angle AOC and angle AOE. Now they are asking, is angle AOC, this AOC angle and this AOE angle, are they adjacent? Now when you see in the diagram, you can find out angle AOC, angle AOE. See, now they are having same common vertex, common arm also is there, but no, you see here AOC, here you are getting AOE, this one you are getting, you are going, but no common ray here. AOC is having, but AOE you see both are having same common vertex and common arm is there. But now here the answer is no. Yeah, because it is not adjacent. AOC and AOE. Adjacent means what? They should have common vertex, common arm, everything should be common. But here you see same vertex is there, but this line is different. So answer is no. Then you see third one, do angle COE and angle EOD form a linear pair? Linear pair means what, students? One line will be there, then you have to get straight line for 180 degree. So now suppose here they have asked COE and EOD. Now suppose I am drawing here, I am taking one more, you see, OE. COE they have asked. Then here one line is there. This is C. This is one angle here. Yeah. Then this COE and EOD they are asking. EOD means what here? Here it will be this one. This is D. See now here you have got one linear pair. Linear pair means what? One straight line when you get here which forms 180 degree here. So it is linear form. So COE and EOD are forming linear pair. So answer is yes. Now fourth one you see, are angle BOD and angle DOE supplementary? Supplementary means 180 degrees. So here you see in the picture here what they are asking, angle BOD. B is here, O is here, D is here. Angle BOD and angle DOA. D is here, O is here, A is here. Now are they asking, are they supplementary? Yeah, here you will get this one and this one. When you add this both, you will get here 180 degree. This two will be 180 degree and this two will be 180. So this AOD and AOB, BOD and DOA, both are supplementary, because supplementary means 180 degrees. When you mix this one 180, then when you go for this 180. So this is half. So it is yes. Then fifth one you see, is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4? Here you see angle 1 is here, angle 4 is here. Vertically opposite, I have already told you in the first class only, 1 and 4 are vertically opposite. So angle 1 is vertically opposite to angle 4. So answer is yes. Then sixth one you see, what is vertically opposite angle of angle 5? Here they are asking what is vertically opposite of angle 5. Now angle 5 is having here 1 and 4 are vertically opposite. Then this side and this side will be vertically opposite. Then angle 5 will be having angle 2 and angle 3 because two angles are here. Then these both are vertically opposite. So for angle 5 what will be there? Angle 2 plus angle 3. So these are vertically opposite for angle 5. So with this we have completed 9th main in 5.1 chapter. Then in next class we can discuss 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So if you have any doubt students, you can call me and clarify with me doubt. Okay. Thank you students.